Hey y'all, it's Margaret.
And Bradley.
With the 2020 pandemic in full swing, the world in lockdown mode, and work life in flux,
we decided to make margaritas out of the limes we were dealt. So we bought a 1973 houseboat in Minnesota with plans to boat it down the Mississippi River to our home in New Orleans.
So grab your life vest and your beverage of choice. We assure you it will be one wild ride.
I need to get inside your head. I got to know if you insane. I wanna swim around your bloodstream. I may catch cradle with your veins. Am I alive or am I dead? To me they both look the same. Don't be afraid to let me in. You acting like I'm gonna bite. Don't get me wrong, I kinda like them feisty. I know I'll get to you in time. And even though you got that body,
Okay, so we just ran about 15 miles south of Burlington just so we could get going. You can see the visibility is pretty nil. So I wanted to show you these lights now that we're there. And see that running light up top? I mean, it shines really well and stands out. And then you can see the nav light on this side. And then as you come over here, the other nav light. So that is why we wanted the running light and nav lights, is so we can be seen in poor visibility. And now I am about to go try to catch something. This is a good little island over here. This is why we pulled up to it. That, and there's actually nowhere else before the next lock to really beach. So alright, I just cut the bait and did some chumming, and I immediately got something. Let's hope it's not a gar. I haven't even gotten to see it yet. Let's see. Oh, big old cat, baby.
It's a catfish?
Just what we were hoping for, I think.
Is it?
Yeah, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
We got us some catfish for dinner tonight. Let's get him in before we count it, though. It doesn't count till he's in the boat. Oh, look at this net.
This is what happens when we...
Oh, got him, man. Got him.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh. Oh
I knew
my
that bait was going
gosh.
to come in handy.
Wow, this is a huge fish.
How about that, baby?
So good.
Catfish for dinner.
We're gonna fry him up. Thank you, Mr. Catfish.
All right, I mean literally, Margaret. So guys, that bait I caught yesterday, it did die on me, but I went ahead and I just sliced it up and put it on the hook, and then I put a little sweetener on, which I sliced a couple other baits up, and I threw them out over the top of it to chum up the waters. And then I went one step further and I took the water from the bait bucket and I threw it over. And I mean, I wasn't finished putting the bait bucket back, and he was hooked up. I mean, it didn't take 5 minutes. So
wow.
So we got us a nice
this,
cat
y'all.
right here. You gotta put the light on him.
So cool.
So that'll eat. We got a fryer. If y'all are wondering, we do have a little fryer in here, and so we're gonna fry it. So we'll have fried
Delicious. And I've got cornbread too.
And to be honest, I'm tempted to throw another one out, but we probably don't need more than one or two. We don't want any more food than we're gonna eat. So
I think
maybe
we'll just do the one.
Maybe we'll do one more, and then we can bag it up,
Yeah.
and we can fry them for the next couple meals.
Wow, what a treat. We've been waiting for you this entire time, Mr. Catfish. This entire time.
All right,
Okay.
guys. They're really
Okay.
too fat for me to hold underneath it.
Look at this big old catfish. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, you're right. Dinner, baby.
Dinner. Oh. So currently Finally, I am soaking off my dip nails. I got my nails done the day we left on the trip, and so they're finally like super grown out and really ratchet. So I knew this day was gonna come. So I'm soaking them off finally. I did just give myself a little toenail polish. Always do rat on my toenails. But yeah, so Bradley is catching catfish, and I'm in here doing nails. It's self-care for each of us. You know, we each have to do our own thing. So yeah, fresh nails are on the way.
So maybe 5 more minutes.
Oh,
Not even 5 minutes.
where's your...
And
I can't see.
are you not filming?
I am, but my nails are all done.
Come look.
Hang on. There you are. Okay.
So not even 5 minutes after that last one. I'm already hooked up on another one. Right here, he's a good size. Gotta find my net. Oh, here it is. Over here. Let's see. I can get him up. Oh, all day, baby, all day.
Catfish King.
Probably could have let him drag out on the damn line longer so he'd wear out better.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Holla, holla.
He's at least as big as, holy moly.
Dinner.
Whoa! 2 catfish.
Yep.
We're gonna eat like kings and
That's
queens.
it. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna stop it here. I'm not gonna put out any more bait or any more lines. I think this will feed us good, and if we can keep this rate up, then we'll just we'll throw them out as we need dinner, as we need food. So
That's incredible.
that's what we'll do, guys. Dinner.
Meanwhile, I have foil on my nails. Trying to take off this dip.
All right.
Okay.
told Morgan, I'm like, Morgan, I'm like, I'm not going back. I'm like, we can't go back. I'm like, should we pick a river to turn up right now? Or I was like, can I go ahead and make a call to sell our house and then, you know, it's done? Like, and she's saying the same thing. I mean, we're loving it. Even we're in shit weather right now. Yeah, hopefully so. So, anywho, all right, buddy. Well, good luck to you. All right, later. Locking Dam 19. This is Pleasure Craft headed southbound, looking to lock through. Look at the bald eagle right there too, right in front of us. See it?
No. I see a cute puppy though. Yeah.
Usually don't say lock. Oh shit, that volume.
Sounds like you got a couple pleasure craft coming at you too, so you have to keep an eye out for them.
I had the volume down.
Lock 19 southbound pleasure craft.
Yeah, this is Pleasure Craft headed southbound, looking to lock through, please.
Yeah, Cap, there was one that called in just a few minutes ago ahead of you, so we'll lock you both down together.
Roger that.
Where are you getting to be at right now?
We're at mile marker 366. We're looking at you.
Alright, well you got a tow coming at you right now, so keep clearing him and just bring her on down and we can leave her ready for you.
Roger that.
Isn't this the really big one?
Yeah, he said there's a tow coming at us. I wonder if he heard me twice. I had the had the volume down on the phone. See if you can read that sign.
Danger. Something.
Lock-in Dam number 19 is located in Keokuk, Iowa at mile marker 364. The Keokuk Power Plant is the largest privately owned and operated dam on the Mississippi River.
Oh yeah, I mean it'll be the same way. It just the difference, they don't lower the rope. There'll be those columns that float up and down, and we'll just tie up to them. You see those?
So we tie up to that.
Yeah, I think so. How are we looking, babe?
Right.
Now give me some distances. So, how about that front corner that looks like it's about to hit?
Oh, it's back. Sorry, I didn't see it's back.
How bad did it hit?
It's okay.
Did it catch the bumper or not?
Bumper just moved out of the way.
Right in the middle.
No, we've never done this before.
You just take your line, you just toss forward a little timber.
Okay.
Okay, so you catch it in the middle, you said?
Yeah, that way you don't have to do anything but enjoy your ride down.
Okay.
All right.
Take my hand, follow, don't be shy. Let the light take you, close your eyes now. And I will lead you down. Do you remember the silver sky? can't let it lay, can't leave it alone. No matter what I know, I can't let you go. No, I can't let it lay, can't leave it alone. No matter what I know, I can't let you go. I can't let you go. I can't let you go.